Hey guys, Taylor with GammaEdge here, coming at you with a pre-market video for January 3rd, 2024. Before we look at structure, let's look at the market trend model here. This is just a measure of momentum and trend in the market. We can see since starting December 28th, rollover in the cumulative tick, which is kind of our short-term gauge. This is just a measure of instantaneous buying and selling in the market. See, that's rollover. That has progressed to be rolling over day over day, continuation day yesterday. The short-term moving average ribbon is trending lower. We call that railroad tracks down. The thing about yesterday is the cumulative tick started to cut into the longer term moving average ribbon. That's our rainbow moving average ribbon. So what this kind of indicates is the long-term uptrend could be shifting to a downtrend. So kind of a phase shift, as you will, something to pay attention to, seeing if the bulls are easily able to recover or if we do see a continuation lower. So we'll see that in structure here in a second, but that's the big things that we are watching right now. Looking at the tick US model, did have some, significant selling register yesterday via the filtered tick, something to keep an eye on. And then lastly, our breadth indicator, you can see how the new highs over new lows has started to decrease each and every day. So that is not a constructive sign either. So we're really looking forward to today and the rest of the week to see if those new lows actually start to overtake the new highs. Second thing I wanted to hit on real quick is here we're looking at, so yesterday, this is the 2nd of January 2024. The top is our GEX ratio. The bottom is our net delta balance ratio. We can see yesterday that for the SPY and SPXX, our net delta ratio went from 1 to negative 0.21 and negative spot 81. So that's also a change in phase that we need to be cognizant of, and then GEX ratios are sitting right around 1. Yeah, I just wanted to look at those metrics real quick. Obviously, the tick trending lower, now the net delta balance trending lower. Now let's get to structure now. Here we're looking at SPXP. We have all expirations turned on. This is only PM settled. Above spot, you can see we're a lot of mixed delta between red and green. 4800 is plus GEX, 4750 top of transition, 4735 bottom of transition, and 4700 is negative GEX. So yeah, only just a couple of sessions ago, late last year, this was all green everywhere. Now we're starting to see puts coming to the complex. What's especially need to pay attention to is puts below spot prices. This is out of the money put speculators, just like we like to see out of the money call speculators above spot price, out of the money put speculators below spot price conveys a lot of information that participants are now betting, starting to place their bets below spot. That's where price is going. So things to be keep an eye on there. Structure is kind of starting to deteriorate on this time frame as well. Now going into the 0 DT expiration. Again, a lot of red above spot price, a lot of green below spot price. So kind of conflicting forces, tough to make progress in either directions. However, transition 4745, 4750 plus GEX 4765, negative GEX is 4720. So that's what we're watching. Even down to 4715, we have a negative delta node there as well. So important to watch there. I think we're going to open well below 4745, so just be cognizant of that. Looking at the rest of the week, again, not super constructive to the upside. Ton of net delta sitting above us, call delta sitting below us. 4735, 4750 is our transition zone. 4785 is plus GEX. 4720 is negative GEX. We even have some negative GEX at 4700 building out as well too, so be cognizant of that as well. I skipped right over 1DT. 1DT, again, not looking super constructive here either. Transition zone, you guys can identify that. 4800 plus GEX, 4720 is negative GEX. Thing to be cognizant of, just because we're saying plus GEX is 4800 doesn't mean we're going to rip to 4800. Like I said, we have in the money puts dominated on most of our time frames, so progress to the upside is going to be tough. Additionally, net delta balance is weakening. Tick is certainly weakening as well, so plays to the upside aren't really what I'm looking at right now, but that doesn't mean you guys don't see something else out there. But so with that, we covered all of our tools, so any questions, let us know in the Discord. We'll talk to y'all later. Bye.